Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to boost your SSD performance on Windows 11. With your PC being slow or low when it comes to performance, sometimes you just need to perform some configurations or updates which will boost the performance of the PC. So number one on our list which we are going to be doing is to update Windows 11 to the latest version. Now to perform the update on Windows 11, just click on your Start and go to your settings. In your settings, just move down on your left side here. You can see that we have Windows Update. So click on Windows Update. You can see here that you are up to date. But in your case, it could be check for update, not up to date, or paused. Even if it is paused, you just have to resume it and then continue with the update. If you just come here and you can see that it's up to date, what you just need to do is that once you are being connected to the internet, you just click on check for updates and it's going to download the latest update just to strengthen or boost your PC performance. So once you check for update and it downloads the updates, and your PC is still some kind of lagging or sluggish when it comes to performance, next we are going to do is to disable startup apps. Now to disable the startup apps, once again, just go to your start once again, right click on your start button and go to the settings. On the settings, just click on apps, and apps here we can see scroll down below and then we have startup apps, so click on it. What these startup apps does is that immediately once you power on your PC, they tend to start working even when you don't prompt them to work or you don't open them to start working. Automatically they start to work. So to disable this, just as I said, you can just turn this off. But just to see their impact, you can see that we have here, once we enable it, you can see here we have high impact. But just to have a simple view of it, right click on your taskbar once again and click on Task Manager. On your left here, we have the startup apps. Now here they are listed. So what you just need to do is that you can see that we have startup impact. So you can see you have low, high, none. So any app which is of high performance, you can just disable it. And disabling it doesn't mean that the app is going to be uninstalled or it's not going to be working again. Anytime when you disable it like this, and anytime when you want it, you just go and open that app. Definitely it's going to start working normal for you. So on the taskbar, if you want to disable any of the app, what you just need to do is that just right click on this. So you can see we have this FDM here which is of high. So you just have to right click on it and then disable. Right, now look for the other one. You right click on it and then disable. So that is just how to disable any app which is automatically working when you power on a PC. Once they are now being disabled like this and you power on the PC, definitely they are not going to automatically start on their own unless you start to work with them. So next is to enable the fast startup. Right, to enable the fast startup, close this. Just click on your start button and search for control panel. Open your control panel and go to, if your control panel is not viewed this way, just click on this viewed by and then change it to category. Once you change it to category, you have this hardware and sound, click on that, and we have power options, click on that. As it opens our power options, on your left here you can see we have here choose what the power buttons do, so click on it and we have that here. You can see here we have shutdown settings, we have turn off fast startup into brackets recommended. So you can see that mine, it is enabled. So if yours is enabled just like this, just leave it as it is. But if yours is not enabled, you just need to turn it on. So to turn it on, you just have to click on this change settings that are currently unavailable. So click on it and as you can see it's now enabled. So you can check or uncheck it. Once you just check on it to enable it, now click on save changes. Once you perform all these tasks, what you just need to do is that you just have to restart the PC. And once you restart the PC, there is going to be some high level of performance within your PC. So if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.